Happy birthday, dear Christine. Happy birthday
Day to you.
Make a wish.
Oh. What? My God. Thank you so much.
Typical, they just went as soon as they grew it up.
Stephen thought he was going to blow up his eyes.
I just about topped my eyebrows up.
Oh my, did you make that for me?
Can I have one of these balls?
No.
They're plastic, darling, I think.
Thank you so much.
Can I have one?
Oh, no, wait, I wonder if you don't disappear.
See, when Paul opened the door, the wind came through, this faster.
Wow, where the heck did you